going to do this beautiful granny square, and let's start. First we need to 10 chain for start this middle part. For middle part we need 10 chains, and I'm going to do 10 chains. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, and I need a slip stitch for here. I did a slip stitch. Now I need 3 chain. 1 2 3 chain for my first row, and 5 double crochets. 1 2 3 4 4 This one, with this one is 5. 1 2 3 4, and 3 chain. 1 2 3, and 4 double crochets. 1 1 sorry 2 3 4 4 double crochets. And now I need 7 chains. 1 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 7 chains. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Now again 5 2 double crochets. 3 4 5 5 3 double 2 double crochets. 1 2 3 4 5. And I cut it down to my thing. Okay, and again we need 5 chain, 7 chain. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 7 chains. 1 and 5 double crochets. 1 2 3 4 5 5 double crochets, and I need another 7 stitch, and we repeat this one. 7 and 5 and 7 again, and 5 7 and 5 double stitches. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 5 double crochets. 1 2 3 4 5. sorry, this one loop is very big. 5. Okay, now we need 7 stitches again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and we make a slip stitch on the top of our 3 chains. First 3 chain. Okay, this is our first row. Okay, first row look like this, and second row we need we stop here now. It's a slip stitch, and second row we are going to 3 chain again, 1 2 3 chain, and make a 2 double crochet this one, and middle chain, sorry, middle 2 double crochet we make 2 double crochet in the middle one, then again 1, again 2 double crochet. It's we have all together we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 double crochets, and I'm starting the row 2. I'm starting row 2. We need 3 1 2 3 chain, and we are going to do 1 double crochet here, and this is the middle one. I'm going to do 2 double crochet in the same space, and next chain, and we have another one, last one. Okay, and now we are going to do 2 chain again here, 1 2 2 chain, and we are making 3 double crochets here, 3 double crochets in the after 2 chain 2 chain 2 chain and 3 double crochets. Do 2 chain, 1 2, I hope you can understand what I am saying, and 1 double crochet and 2 double crochet and 3 double crochet. And now this is the corner, and we need 5 chain again. After 5 chain we need 3 double crochets in that 7 chain space, and I'm going to do 5 1 2 3 4 5 chain, and I'm going to do 3 chain 3 double crochet in that space, 1 2 3. Okay, and again 2 chain, and we are follow the this area again. We need 6 chain top of the 5 sorry, not 6 chain, 6 double crochet top of that 5 double crochet, and I'm starting 2 chain, and I'm going to do first one 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, sorry, 2 double crochet, and my middle third one I am doing 2 double crochet in the same hole. See, again another one, it's the middle one. Okay, we have 6 in this one. I will do 2. I have fifth one, and sixth one. And you can follow this second row like this again, and we have the 7 space again, and 2 chain and 3 double crochets, 5 chain and 3 double crochets, and again 6 double crochets and 2 chain, and repeat this row. We will meet up with the starting point again. I am in the starting point. Uh, do I did 3 what's called 3 double crochets, and I need 2 chain, and I'm going to the starting chain 3, and top of the starting chain I do slip stitch. Okay, and now we are going to start third row. I'm going to do, it's we are starting here, we are starting again 3 sorry 2 chain now, and we do cluster. For this one we are doing all of these is 2 double crochets, making cluster with one each um, double crochets. I show it to you how to do. 1 2 chain, and I'm going to make a cluster for each one each with starting, and I'm do 1 double crochet. I am not finish it. I'm going to do second double crochet. I'm not finishing it. I already have 3. I need to go 3 more. 4. I'm not finishing it. 5. I am not finishing it. And my last chain, last double crochet. 6. I am not finishing it. Now I have 1 2 3 4 5 6 loops here, and I do together and make a slip stitch. Okay, now we need 5 chain again. 1 2 3 4 5 chain, and in the middle of this chain we are going 5 chain, and middle of this chain we are doing 2 double crochet. 5 chain set here. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5, and I'm going to the top of my 3 double crochets, and I'm going to do 1 double crochet. Okay, and again I am do 2 chains. Okay, 2 chains and 3 chains, and do 2 double crochets here. 2 double crochets, 3 chains, 1 2 3, and I am doing 2 double crochets in the 5 stitch space here. This is my 5 stitch space. 1 2 2, and after that I need 2 chain again and 2 double crochet again in this 5 chain space. Okay, I'm going to do 2 chains, 1 2, and 2 double crochets, 1 2, 2 double crochets. And now we are going to repeat this section again, repeating this section again. 3 double crochet, 1 2 3, and I'm going to do one double crochet in here, because we are going to do 3 chain, 1 2 3 chain, and 2 double crochet in this three middle of this 3 chain. And I'm going to do 5 chain here, 1 2 3 4 5, and I'm going to make a cluster, this cluster. 1, I'm not finish it. I am in the end of my row, and I have 5 chain, and I'm going to do slip stitch in the first cluster, middle of first cluster. Okay, see a slip stitch, and this is my slip stitch, and I'm going to do 1 chain, and I'm going to do 3 single crochets over there, 4 single crochet, 1 2 3 single crochets, and fourth one is top of this chain, and we are going to do one chain here, and 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet, 3 single crochet, and 1 top of this single crochet, and this space we are doing 3 single crochets, and top of these chains we doing 2 single crochets, and carry on this pattern, and 1 single crochet and 3 single crochets for this section, 3 chains, top of 3 chains stick, and this is 2 double crochet, top of 2 double crochet we are doing 2 chain single crochets, and the 3 space we are doing 3 single crochets, and again 2 single crochets top of the double crochets, and 3 single crochets over this step, 1 2 3, and this 5 chain, top of 5 chain we doing 3 chain, 3 single crochets, and I'm doing 1 single crochet top of this chain, and carry on until we meet again the first chain. Now I am in the last single crochet. Now I am going to do is find my first single crochet and do the slip stitch inside my first single crochet, and I did slip stitch, and this is our pattern. And I think you enjoy my video, and I try to demonstrate how to do this one with my diagram. I think you understand what I am going to tell, and if you have any um, complicated or not understanding part, please comment, and I will help you in my another video. And thank you very much, and see you again with another beautiful pattern. Bye bye.